She lights up the room.
Do we have company?
Soda.
Ha ha ha! I'm back, bitches! Oh! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, but today I'm back with another video. So in this video, I will be reviewing this 16-inch ring light I got from Amazon. I got it from the store UBEESIZE, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. So you can see I was so excited. I didn't even open. See, yo, I'm a mess. I'm a mess. I didn't even open the box because I was so excited for this video. So yeah, like, let's start this unboxing video because I'm honestly excited to see my new ring light. It also has an iPhone stand and a camera stand, and let me tell you, I think I've said this before, I'm very excited. I got it for like less than 100 and it's 16 inches. I remember when I was looking for ring lights bigger than 10 inches, I was just getting $100 me, and I'm a student, and it's like, I don't know, man, that was too much. It's upside down. I got the tripod out, so I got one thing out of it. Yeah. This is a tripod. Yeah. It's just something else. And then there's this manual that I might not use because I'm very stubborn. Oh, so you loosen it here? Oh, okay, that's not bad. Adjust it wherever you want. I like it like this. I like this one because the leg is very short here. It's not like all those ones that have like really long spider legs, and then when you want to set it up, it takes a lot of space. Ha. Alright, so this is how tall the thing can get. I can reach my chin. I think that's actually fine for me because I'm still going to have to reduce it. I'm just leaving it this high so you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's see what's going on here. I really like the fact that this thing is this big. I'm so happy. Like, it's not weird. It can't be this loose. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Yo, look at how big this thing is. This shit is big. I'm going to have to reduce it because I'm not very tall. And hopefully you guys will still be able to see it. So I'm going to have to reduce this or whatever. This is perfect. Just tighten this here. What's next? I guess here you can put your camera. You can put your camera in here, or or you can attach your phone stand in here. I'll just put my phone in here because like I can't show you guys in my camera, but like when I'm done setting it up, I'll show you guys how it looks with my camera on it, and I'll show you guys how it looks when it's turned on. So just like I'll show you guys everything, don't worry. It's all set up. No, but you guys see how big this thing is? I'm actually shocked I got this thing for less than 100 on Amazon. Because I didn't spend up to 100. It was just like $3.99 away from 100, but it wasn't 100, so I'm glad. I'm glad. It's something still. But yeah, this is just a casual video of me just unboxing because I was just like, why not make a video? I mean, some people might be interested in getting a 16-inch ring light. This is like, I usually see like 18, 14, 12. I think this is the first 16-inch ring light I have seen. And yo, if I have this, why do I need to get a bigger one? I might actually need to later on in life, but so yeah, like tell me what you guys think. Do you think you'll be able to buy this? Do you think it's a good purchase? Like let me know. And tell me if you found anything of like if you found anything better. Just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, if you're interested, the link is going to be in the description box below. Let's see. And it's on, guys. You can see there's a red. Woo! Whoa! What happened? Oh Jesus! Oh! Okay, now I'm scared because what if that thing never works? Because I feel like I'm more confident in actual buttons. My hair is scattered. I feel like I'm more confident in actual buttons, but this one you just need to touch it. You know how like you turn on a PS4, you don't really need a button, PS4, PS2, anything. Like it's not an actual button, it's more like it's touch sensitive. I don't know, yeah. Touch sensitive is the word. So yeah, basically that green light that is like green over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. You just, this is bright. This is bright. Let me adjust my hair. This is very bright. You guys don't know how happy I am, man. This shit lights up the room. I think I found a new love. So let's see what. Oh, actually, this remote is only for taking pictures and taking videos. Actually, you need to actually use this to adjust the brightness. So unfortunately, I can't do that right now because you know I don't have any batteries. So I'm going to try my camera on this. Guys, that's it. That's the video. I hope you guys actually enjoyed watching me, and don't forget to check out my other videos, which is gonna be in my outro. So yeah, I have a lot of fun videos, a lot of funny videos. I'm kind of funny sometimes, so check me out and subscribe and leave a thumbs up. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you all in my next video. I'm so happy, like I'm actually genuinely so happy. I hope I don't look like a mess, but if I do, you're going to have to, you know, deal with it. But thank you all for watching my video. I'll see you on my next video. All right, bye.
Slay, yes mama.